Protein pizza, no carbs. Everyone's been asking me for stuff with no carbs. Well, guess what? It's all about the protein here. So we got an egg-based zucchini pizza crust. Yeah, it sounds silly, sounds crazy, but it actually works. Let's do this. So I'm taking one zucchini, I'm just grating the exterior into the eggs. I've got 3 eggs in which my little sous chef is beaten up, and now we're gonna mix the eggs into zucchini. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some cheese in here. We got the aged cheddar. All right, okay, let's season this up with salt, some fresh cracked pepper. You just keep mixing. Keep going, tell me when to stop. We've got a carbon steel pan on the stove here, okay? That carbon steel pan, I'm gonna bring it up to medium-high heat, and then we're going to pour the zucchini egg cheese mixture into the carbon steel pan, and we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna slowly cook it, and we're gonna throw it in the oven, and we're gonna bake it. We're gonna pull it from the oven after about 4 or 5 minutes, and then that's gonna be our crispy tortilla-style shell. So instead of making, just putting a classic canned pizza or tomato sauce on there, we're actually gonna make just some blistered tomatoes. I had these tomatoes sitting in the fridge, they're kind of old. That's why we're gonna pan sear them and just blister them. Before I do so, I'm gonna slice a couple of them. So why don't you just cut them however you want, just right in half. We're just gonna slice them like this, see? Just right down there. And the reason we're slicing these is because we want that juice to come out. We're gonna use these to make the sauce. Oh, look at that. I said I wanted the juice to come out, and what happened? It exploded. There you go, just put it right back in there. Perfect. While he does that, I have a pan that's blasting carbon steel on the stove, so I'm just gonna blister these tomatoes, and we're gonna make the sauce right there in the pan. I'm just gonna add a touch of water. Melt it with whole butter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump these tomatoes and the butter mixture into the bowl right here, okay? Crush these like this, okay? So just start crushing those tomatoes. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let's hit it with a touch of Aleppo pepper, just to give it a bite. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Now see that? Look at that. We've made a nice, like fresh mounted tomato sauce right there. Okay, you can add fresh basil to this, oregano, whatever you want. What do you think? We'll just leave it like this, and we'll use this as kind of our pizza base. But this is a real rudimentary tomato sauce. If you got some of those cherry tomatoes that are left over, maybe getting a bit old in the refrigerator, this is what you're gonna wanna do with it, right? Fresh tomato sauce right there. Oh, è delicioso. Let's check on our pizza. Now this is incredibly hot, so I'm gonna leave it right here on the back burner, all right? So I have a creamy garlic herb cheese here that we're gonna put on top of the pizza. I'm going to drop the shell right here. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at that. There we go, okay? So this is gonna be our shell, and just take some of this cheese and just put it over the top like this, okay? Just like that, there you go. Just keep putting it over the top, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take our beautiful tomato sauce, and I'm just gonna drizzle this all over the top, okay? And you can keep putting that cheese on there. I'll just kind of spread this on there in with that beautiful creamy cheese. Oh yeah, look at that. And then, to top it off, I'm just gonna go with tons of fresh Parmesan. Now you could put sausage on here, you could put meatballs on top, put whatever you want on there, pepperoni, you name it. Go back in the oven. And then we wait probably 2 minutes and we're good to go. Good job. Good job. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Jesus likes it. You don't want to burn Jesus. Fresh cracked pepper. So now we cut the pizza. We let it cool for a minute. Go ahead, let's go ahead and cut it. Oh, good job. Okay, maybe cut some more slices. Go across that way. All right, Mom, you want a piece of pizza? Huh?
Ooh, did you make this?
Look at this. Look at that. Oh, there we go, cheers. Oh my God, it's actually really good. Good job, buddy. Carb-free pizza. It's actually not bad. This is the first time we've done it. We're doing it with you. Oh. He's going in for seconds.